Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a side mirror on a Ford Escape. First, gather your tools, including a screwdriver set and a trim removal tool. Next, ensure you have the correct replacement mirror for your specific vehicle. Always park your car safely on a level surface, turn off the engine, and engage the parking brake before starting any work. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's remove the damaged mirror. Begin by gently prying off the interior door panel using a trim removal tool to avoid damage. Once the panel is off, locate and disconnect the electrical connector that powers your mirror's functions. Finally, unscrew the 3 or 4 mounting bolts or nuts that secure the old mirror to the door frame. Keep these fasteners safe for later use. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new mirror onto the door frame, aligning the mounting holes. Secure it firmly using the original bolts or nuts you saved. Next, reconnect the electrical wiring harness to ensure all mirror functions, like power adjustment and heating, are operational. Before reassembling, test these functions to confirm everything works correctly. To complete the installation, carefully reattach the interior door panel, making sure all clips snap securely into place. Give your new mirror a final check for stability and ensure it adjusts smoothly. You've successfully replaced your side mirror. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.